Okay, for our final Illustrator activity, you're going to create a new file again. Click OK. Okay, and what we're going to do is create a little sort of swan advertisement. Again, we're going to use the pen tool. So what we're going to do is we want to use this black stroke, but no fill. Okay, make sure there's no fill. And we're going to draw a little wing here. So I'm going to draw, and remember, you're going to be drawing in like quarter circles. So there's part of a wing. Completion of the wing maybe a little bit this way, and then up like this. This is sort of like the side wing. There we go. And now I want to start drawing a new object. So if I click the Move tool, now it's selected, and I click Off. And now I can click the Pen tool again. I'm going to start drawing the body of this one. And this is just straight lines. So again, remember in quarter circles. So I'm going to go like this. And I want to sort of draw in the direction that I'm going to be drawing the next quarter circle, which is here. And do that. And the next quarter circle, just like this. And then the next quarter circle, like that. And then the next quarter circle, like this. And then the next quarter circle about there. Okay, and now I want to make what's called a cusp, where I actually make a sharp start there. So if I hold down the Option key and click here, it'll allow me to go out here, and it'll make a sharp edge there, so like a corner. And I'm just going to drag out and make this sort of little curve here. And again, I want to make a cusp here, so I hold down the Option key, click, and then I click down here, and I make a little beak. Okay, and so there I'm done my little swan. Okay, with a little wing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and hold the Shift key down, select that, and I'm going to change the brush stroke, not the brush stroke, to that to make it look kind of cool. Now, I'm also going to shrink this down, and again I'm going to shrink down by holding a Shift key to maintain the aspect ratio. So I'll bring it down like this, and just move it over a touch. Oops, I deselected that one, so let's do this. Now move it over, this, okay, and I'm just going to put in some waves underneath it. And the way I'm going to put in waves is the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the rulers again. Command R, and I need rulers at every centimeter. So it's 5 centimeters, so this is a centimeter. So I need my guides in at every centimeter. Okay, 2, 3, and I'm going to need, how many guides? Let's see, 4 and 5. Is that enough? Yes, 5 guides should be enough. And then I'm going to grab down this way, and I'm going to put one here, and just 1 centimeter down from that, down to here. Okay, and this will be for making our little wave. Now to make the wave, get the pen tool, click here, and then click here and drag out to the next guide. And then click up here. And again, in order to make that cusp, Option click there. And then click here, drag out to here, and then Option, and then just click here. Now we've got an object that I'm going to duplicate now. And I noticed that I've zoomed it. I'm going to zoom in again, over, there we go. Now what I'm going to do is get the selection tool, and then I'm going to highlight this object, okay? And I'm going to duplicate it. So I'm going to copy, Command C, and then I'm going to Command V. Oop, it copied the guides too. Let's undo that. Okay, I just want the object itself. So there we go. I've got the object itself. Command C, Command V. Okay, and I just grab this. Make sure you just grab the stroke because there is no fill, so there's actually nothing there. Then line it up. Command V, grab the stroke, down to here, line it up. Command V, stroke, put it on. Command V. I want one a little downhill, so we move it up. This one has to be moved up slightly. There we go. Okay, and maybe one more. Command B, put it over here. And there we go. Now, I'm going to select all of these, and I'm just going to adjust the stroke, the brush stroke. There we go. Okay. And to finish this off, this is actually going to be a logo. I'm going to put some regular text in here, and I'm just going to put swan beauty products. And everyone goes, what's a swan beauty products? Well, hopefully you're getting the idea that the actual illustration is forming an S. So up to 24, maybe 36. There we go. And a little thicker and maybe italic. Let's see. Bold italic. Let's try that. There we go. And then use the selection tool. Move it a little bit closer. And we have a neat little logo. Okay. If you ever want to get rid of the guides, I'm just moving this over. If you ever want to get rid of the guides, if you go to View and go down to Guides, you can hide the guides. And you see the shortcut key is Command semicolon. So if I do Command semicolon, it gets rid of the guides. Okay, and that's the 4th lesson, and we'll be going on to our assignment now.